Hello and welcome to my new video. Today I will show you my solution for this error that I got in a project that was working perfectly fine till now. But what I did was I updated Xcode to version 15 and Mac OS to version 14. And after that, when I tried to build my project, I got this error message, build failed, and I wasn't really sure what seems to be the problem. Then I tried clean and rebuild, that didn't help. Then I saw this, and what I did was I clicked this pod section. Okay, the first thing I did is in pod file I set platform to 13. And then I click this pod section, and every pod that I have, I set the minimum deployment on iOS 13. I had some pods that was like 8.0, 9.0, and that's really old. And after I updated all the pods to version 13 and tried to build, everything works. The project has successfully built. And that's what helped me to overcome this error. I hope that this will also work for you on your project, and if it doesn't work, then you can try to find on internet something else, but I think that this is the info that clearly says to you what you need to do in order to successfully build your project. Thank you very much. Bye bye.